Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, also known as Jazzy Mina here on YouTube, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we have this cute tutorial of this very cutesy, very girly short square set. I actually made this set for Valentine's Day, but baby, listen, we just a little bit behind, but it's okay. We just gonna get the videos out, right? Right now, I'm showing you guys my nails that I made for New Year's Eve. And I was trying to show you guys the difference. The hand on the left was actually the one that had the Macart rhinestone glue. And then the hand on the right had the generic one from like Temu or Shein. To be honest, y'all just stick with Macart. That the one from Temu or Shein is it performs low, as we should expect, because it's a no brand kind of. So without further ado, I wouldn't recommend it for something like a blinged out set. So I just thought I'd say that before we get into this set. Now, to prep these nails, I did go in and I buffed the surface of the nail, and I put a layer of Beetles base gel. I'll always use that as my foundation gel, just so that when I start to apply the layers of gel, we don't have any chipping when we wear them over time. And yeah, I just find that they last a lot longer when I add the base gel. For my base here, I'm going in with a D&D color, and the color is So Fly, and I believe the number is 872. If nothing pops up on the screen, then I was probably right. But anywho, I'm going to be adding probably around 2 to 3 layers of this. I'm doing the voiceover now, but I did these before Valentine's Day, so I can't remember, but it will be in the video. I'm going through on each one of the nails, putting 1 layer of this D&D gel, and then I'm going to cure the entire set for 60 seconds. After applying 2 to 3 layers of the base gel, I'm going to go in with my super matte top coat. I buy this top coat from Alibaba, and I buy it in bulk. It's okay. I mean, it's nothing to scream and holler about. It does mattify, but now I actually tend to buff over this matte top coat just so that it's a little bit better. That's why I kind of don't refer it yet, or kind of recommend it to buy it, because there's better ones on the market. So that's neither here nor there. Just know that I used a top layer of super matte on top of this, and then I went in and cured this for 60 full seconds. I find that before I do any kind of nail artwork, if I mattify the top base of the nail, the gel polish that I use for the nail art will, one, I can draw better on the surface of the nail because it's not a lot of gliding and an unsteady hand. It's almost like writing on a piece of paper instead of writing on, say, a whiteboard or something that may be a little bit more slippery. So it just allows me to have more control over the surface of the nail when I'm doing any kind of artwork. For all of my artwork on these nails, the pink color is actually another D&D color. The number is 808 and the name is Dewey Daisy. I actually had to go get up and go look because I realized I didn't show you guys the bottle. So that is the color that I'm using here. I'm also using a 15 or 12 millimeter art brush to go ahead and do my French along the lines. And I always cure whatever I do before I move on to the next thing. So right now the French nails are in there curing and I'm still painting things on. For the dots, I'm using a dotting tool, and then everything else is pretty much either the dotting tool and that 12 or 15 millimeter brush that I'm using. For the heart nails, and you'll see as we go further along, hopefully I get in frame soon. I'm so sorry. But to explain what I'm doing, I am using my dotting tool, making 2 dots, and then I go ahead and use my thin liner brush to go ahead and connect the dots together so that I can make a heart on the nail. And y'all, was super focused. Usually I'm pretty good about getting back in frame at some point, but this video seemed to be a little bit harder for me to do that. But all in all, that is what I'm doing, and hopefully you guys can get to see a visual of that in this video. This nail that I'm doing currently is actually the middle nail with the 2 hearts, and later we're going to be adding some fun charms and little pearls on them. This one is a flat design, so I actually will cure this one when I'm done with it, but the index finger, so the pointer finger, and the pinky actually have some acrylic sprinkled on top of it so that it can give that texture effect, if you will. Honestly, I'm not the best at that yet, and it's only because I prematurely touch the nail on accident every single time. Hopefully I pay more attention and stop being so clumsy. But for now, we're gonna try our best and be a little bit more cautious. But they still turned out cute, so I'm not mad about that at all. So for the rest of the nail art, I'm gonna let you guys watch it, vibe out, probably add some kind of soothing sound that's very nice, and we're just going to watch me do the nail art. after all of the nail art is secured, I went ahead and added another layer of the super matte top coat. I'm doing this because I'm going to go in later with my moklawz rhinestone glue, and I actually find that when the surface is already matte and kind of like pre-buffed, if you will, the gems adhere a lot better. So I just go ahead and just matte the surface for all of them. I will say that when I applied the acrylic powder to the pointer nail and the pinky nail, I did cure it for 60 seconds before brushing away the excess acrylic that was on there. And I also went over these nails with the matte top coat as well. I'm not sure if I loved it after, or if I was supposed to add a top coat to these nails and they're supposed to look kind of like textury. But I just realized that I just liked it better and felt more sane if it was protected over with a layer of gel. So I went ahead and matte the entire nail set and cured it for 60 seconds. Now we're moving on to some of the, I guess, fun stuff. When we see charms and stuff, we kind of get a little excited. At least I know I do. On the middle finger and the index, is that the index? No, I'm having a moment. The ring finger will have charms on them. So this middle finger, I'm going to be putting some pearls. I have some caviar beads that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be placing them kind of diagonally from each other. And you're going to see me do it in the video. The glue that I would use is the moklawz rhinestone glue. I love this glue down. And a little hack, I don't even know if I did it in this video. I don't think I did, because this was supposed to be a matte nail set. If you add a top coat over the moklawz rhinestone glue, it'll last like forever. Like, maybe forever is a bit dramatic, but for a very, very, very long time. So that's my little spiel. I love the moklawz rhinestone glue. And I'm just going ahead. There's no specific way that I'm applying these. I'm just matching them both up with one another and just using kind of big and small pearls and just creating a cluster on the nail. And then on that ring finger, you're going to see me add a jelly bow, which is so cute and so adorable. I think that the bow and the like little pearls, they really just, even the pink color, like, it's just a cute girly set, and I just love it. Someone asked me in the comments of one of my videos, can't remember which one, but they asked for a charm collection video. Do you guys want to see that? The only dilemma to that is me not knowing where I got what charms. So if you was to ask, you know, Jazz, where did you buy these charms? Where did you get them? I probably know a few charms that I actually know where I got them. The others I would have to scavenge for or just look up. Like, I'll try my best to find the ones that you guys actually want, but I would just have to give a disclaimer that I buy so many charms I don't even know from where come from where. Like, most of them, the safe answer is either Temu or Shein, but I buy charms from all over, and so that would be the only dilemma. But I have no problem doing it, and it sounds like it's gonna be a fun video because I love charms, and I would love to show you guys mine. So just let me know in the comments below if there is more of you who would like to see that video. So now that I've applied all of my charms, here is the final set. She is so gorgeous. The pink just pops, like, oh my goodness. And this is a matte set. I don't know if I said that earlier, but these are absolutely stunning. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this set, go ahead and like this tutorial, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.